Vision boards are a fun and effective way to spark creativity and increase motivation. By collecting images, words, and symbols that represent your goals and dreams, you create a powerful visual reminder of what you want to achieve. This constant visual cue keeps your intentions clear and helps your mind stay focused on success. One of the biggest benefits of vision boards is how they stimulate your creative thinking. When you gather images and ideas that inspire you, your brain starts making new connections and coming up with fresh approaches to reach your goals. Seeing your vision daily fuels motivation and reminds you why you're working hard, which helps you stay persistent even when challenges arise. Here are some easy exercises to help you create and display your vision board. 1. Gather supplies. Collect magazines, printouts, stickers, and art supplies. You can also use digital tools if you prefer an online vision board. 2. Define your goals. Spend a few minutes writing down your short-term and long-term goals. Think about different areas of your life: career, relationships, health, creativity, and personal growth. 3. Find inspiring images and words. Cut out pictures, quotes, and words that represent your goals and the feelings you want to experience. 4. Arrange and create. Start arranging your clippings on a board or poster. Play with layout until it feels right. You can add drawings or color to personalize it. 5. Display your vision board. Place your board somewhere you'll see it every day, like your bedroom, workspace, or even as a phone wallpaper. Regularly looking at your vision board helps keep your creativity flowing and your motivation high, turning your dreams into achievable goals. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.